Hey everyone, how you all doing? In this video I'll just be going for a walk somewhere where I haven't gone yet since I've been here. So I'll be doing that usual walk across there. I'll be walking on that side. I haven't actually walked across that side. Oh, what's this? But he's taking off from that side now, right? Okay. Interesting. That wasn't meant to be in the video at that time, but there we go. There we have it. Planes do land that side. There he goes. I haven't caught it from this angle. Look at that. That's a steep takeoff. That's steep. And this is the other side, Pompeii. That's all part of XL London. This is just round the side of a building. South Gallery Rooms. Was that an art gallery? It got a restaurant there. I had no idea it was there. It's from the other side where I live. Can't really tell from that kind of distance. It's either one big one. I think it's just one big restaurant. It's got the same name. Elvis Evolution. I've shown this on one of my videos, but from a great distance, but actually seen it up close, I didn't realise it was a diner. So I guess you access this from the main building of the XL London. I haven't actually been in there yet. That's another video, which will be coming sometime. So we have Burbank's. Oh, entrance via Burbank Diner. Oh, so that's it. Can access it from this side. Lovely. That's cool. Actually, that's really cool. Yeah. Got an Elvis jukebox right there. Nice. Of course, any moment a plane could be taken off from London City Airport because this is right in this flight path. Oh yeah. What did I say? What did I say? Oh, nothing, yeah, little plane. Alright, may not be very exciting. I do plan to go on another Heathrow jaunt soon. Possibly in the next couple of days, maybe. I leave early in the morning. Fame factory, and then journey into the world of fame. Oh, don't know. Well, that's even more around there. You can walk around further than I thought. That's the usual stuff I've got in the background there. Millennium Dome, O2, all the Canary Wharf buildings there. That sounds like another plane's gearing off for takeoff. Could be wrong. Just to show how far I walked. There's our footbridge, all avoiding the distance. Walked a long way. And there's the airport. Never walked to it before without using public transport. It's the first. Didn't even take that long, maybe 20 minutes. And there's some noisy, whatever the hell they are. What are they? What, some kind of ducks or what? Are these what we call Egyptian geese or what? Oh, there's your normal average goose. Hello, Mr. Goose. Must be having some kind of goose argument. Plane coming in there. Oh, I really need a better phone for this. Don't know if I've seen that kind of plane here before. Bit of an odd looking one. Alright, he's going for it. I believe this could be either KLM or ITA Airways. I'm not sure yet. It's blue, I'll tell you that much. Alright, that's the end of the video. It was a bit shabby, I do apologise. You've got a bit of mixed content in there, you've got some geese. I walk along the waterfront there, a couple of planes taking off, my hand in the way. And let's end it off with a goose, a greasy goose. Alright everybody, please like and subscribe for more, and when you do, you'll know when my next Heathrow video will be coming out. I'm going to be dedicating more time to Heathrow this time. Alright, everyone, have a good day and night. If I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, good night.